Is the American dream dead? How to succeed in today's economy. The American dream has long symbolized the idea that anyone, regardless of their background, can achieve success through hard work and determination. From rags to riches stories to tales of perseverance, the dream has fueled generations of hope. But today, many Americans wonder, is the American dream still alive? The answer is complex. While the traditional vision of the American dream may seem elusive for many, it has evolved to reflect the realities of today's economy. By understanding these changes and adapting, success remains achievable, albeit through different means. The changing landscape of the American dream. Decades ago, the American dream was synonymous with homeownership, a stable job, and the promise of upward mobility. In post-World War II America, economic growth, affordable housing, and accessible education created an environment where hard work often paid off handsomely. Fast forward to today, and the landscape has shifted. Rising costs of living, wage stagnation, and student debt have created barriers to traditional markers of success. A Pew Research study shows that middle-class incomes have barely budged in real terms over the last 40 years. Meanwhile, the cost of college tuition has skyrocketed by over 1,200% since the 1980s, leaving many young people burdened with debt before they even start their careers. The housing market presents another challenge. Home prices have outpaced wage growth, making it increasingly difficult for younger generations to afford property. A 2023 report from the National Association of Realtors revealed that first-time homebuyers now face the highest barriers to entry in decades. But does this mean the American dream is dead? Not necessarily. It means it's time to redefine the dream and adopt new strategies to succeed in today's economy. Redefining success. Success no longer revolves solely around owning a home or climbing the corporate ladder. Instead, it's about achieving financial stability, pursuing passions, and creating a life that aligns with personal values. For some, this might mean entrepreneurship. For others, it could mean a minimalist lifestyle that prioritizes experiences over possessions. Take the story of Maria Gonzalez, a 32-year-old single mother from Denver. Growing up, Maria believed success meant working a traditional 9-to-5 job. But after losing her position during the pandemic, she started a small online business selling handmade jewelry. Today, she earns more than she did at her corporate job and enjoys the flexibility to spend time with her children. Maria's story illustrates how redefining success can lead to unexpected opportunities. Adapting to the new economy. The 21st century economy is driven by technology, globalization, and innovation. While these forces have created challenges, they also present unprecedented opportunities. Here are practical steps to navigate this new economic reality. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. The days of relying on a single skill set for an entire career are over. Automation and artificial intelligence are reshaping industries, and workers must continuously adapt to stay competitive. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning make it easier than ever to acquire new skills. For instance, tech-savvy individuals can explore high-demand fields like data analytics, digital marketing, or coding. Even those without a technical background can benefit from developing soft skills such as communication, leadership, and adaptability. 2. Leverage the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, DoorDash, and Upwork have revolutionized how people earn income. While gig work may not offer traditional benefits, it provides flexibility and the chance to diversify income streams. Many Americans use gig work as a stepping stone while pursuing larger goals. Consider Kevin, a college graduate struggling to find a job in his field. By working part-time as a rideshare driver and freelancing as a graphic designer, Kevin was able to pay off his student loans while building a portfolio that eventually landed him a full-time role at a marketing agency. 3. Invest in financial literacy. Financial literacy is more critical than ever. Understanding budgeting, investing, and saving can help individuals build wealth, even in uncertain times. Resources like personal finance blogs, podcasts, and apps like Mint or NAB, You Need a Budget, make financial education accessible. Start small by creating an emergency fund and contributing to a retirement account. If possible, explore investment opportunities such as index funds, which offer long-term growth with minimal risk. 4. Network strategically. In today's economy, who you know often matters as much as what you know. Building a strong professional network can open doors to job opportunities, mentorship, and partnerships. Platforms like LinkedIn are invaluable for connecting with industry professionals and staying updated on trends. 5. Consider alternative paths. College isn't the only route to success. Trade schools, apprenticeships, and certifications in fields like plumbing, electrical work, or healthcare can lead to lucrative careers without the burden of student debt. Additionally, these roles are less likely to be outsourced or automated. Overcoming psychological barriers. The narrative that the system is rigged can create a sense of hopelessness. While systemic challenges are real, a defeatist mindset often becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Instead, adopt a growth mindset, focusing on what can be controlled rather than what cannot. Stories of resilience abound. Take John Hope Bryant, who grew up in poverty and faced numerous setbacks, but went on to found Operation Hope, a nonprofit organization dedicated to financial literacy and economic empowerment. His journey demonstrates that persistence and adaptability can lead to success, even against the odds. Building community. Success isn't achieved in isolation. Building a support system of friends, family, and mentors can provide the encouragement and resources needed to overcome challenges. Community organizations, churches, and networking groups often offer valuable support for those striving to achieve their goals. Final thoughts. The dream lives on. Redefined. The American dream isn't dead, it's evolving. While the traditional markers of success may be harder to attain, new opportunities have emerged for those willing to adapt and think creatively. By redefining success, embracing lifelong learning, and taking proactive steps toward financial stability, the dream remains within reach. Remember, success in today's economy isn't about conforming to outdated ideals. It's about crafting a life that reflects your unique aspirations and values. The road may be different, but the destination, a fulfilling, prosperous life, is still attainable.